Hi, I'm Mick Sadler, and today we're going to look at the 80mm macro lens. Now, the 80mm is probably the fastest lens that Fujifilm do. So not only does it do macro, but it will also do longer shots. We're out in the woods today, and we're hoping to get a few autumnal shots and some macro shots. Okay. We're interested in this little fern here. The light, dappled light, is just showing on it, and it's going to look good. So we've got a long shot of it. With the 80mm, and we've also got a macro shot of it. And as the light plays on it, it will make for an interesting composition. So if you're looking to buy a lens and you're looking to perhaps buy the 90mm, have a look at the 80mm. The 90mm is f2, so if you don't need the f2, and this is the 80mm is 2.8, then get that, because not only will it do longer subjects, but it will also do macro work. So I've had this lens probably quite a while now, probably coming up for 2 years, and I have to say that it is so versatile in all that it does. Well, we're taking this sort of intimate portrait of this little oak tree, and we're about 4 foot away using the 80mm lens, and we're on f4 at 400. f4 is to give us a little bit more depth of field. There's something about being in woodland in autumn. Leaves are almost fallen, and everything is gone colourful, not as colourful as I would like. But there's certainly some nice pictures to be had. So what I would say to you is to get the 80mm lens, because it gives you much more options than just getting a 90mm. You can do portraits with it, you can do macro with it, you can do everything. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.